I only buy the finest tea leaves, sister. See, BOPF.
BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Sister, the art of tea.
Damages were caused to several areas due to strong winds that swept across the island early this morning. Due to strong winds and heavy rainfall, several vehicles parked at the Colombo National Hospital were damaged due to fallen trees. Reporter Channaka Thusitha Dias meanwhile sent us this footage of some of the damages caused. A tree had fallen in Brebrooke place due to the strong winds this morning. Also, a tree had fallen onto a vehicle in the Nlalalsekara Mawatha. This is the manner in which a billboard had fallen in the Kumarathunga Munidasa Mawatha. Several houses in the Kirula Housing project in Kirulapone too sustained damages due to strong winds that swept across the island this morning.